In today's video, we're taking a look at another print-on-demand business model that has really high demands and really good profit margins. So that is the supplement print-on-demand. I'm going to be showing you the supplier to use and how to get started. I'll put a link in my description. If at any time in this video you want to get started, it will be the first link in the description. So this is Supplifull. Supplifull is a print-on-demand supplier, and all you need to do is just slap your design on their supplements and sell as your own. So I will walk you through how that works and how to get started. Let's take a look at this section that shows you how much you can potentially make. So if someone buys from you at $30 and you pay this, that's the production fee, your profit is going to be $18. So depending on the traffic to your website or your social media following and how much you sell per month, this is just here as a guide to let you know how much you can potentially make. These are supplements that you do not make yourself. You do not own the inventory. You just design your own product, upload it to Supplifull, and they fulfill for you. Let's take a look at some of the products they have. You can take a look at the website yourself. The link is going to be the first one in my description. Now we're going to look at the catalog so that we can see some of the supplements they do have. So if you look here, there are loads of supplements. What you just need to do is change this design to your design, and that's how that works. So I'm going to pick one design now so that we can look at it together and see how we can create our own design. But before I do that, I want to log into my own account. So after you sign up with the link in my description, you will be brought to your own dashboard. It will say welcome your name. This is my own dashboard. So if you are looking for a certain type of supplement, say you want to go into the weight loss niche or the fitness niche, where you want to sell whey powders or shakes and all of that dietary supplements, then what you need to do is come here and then you can pick whichever that you want to sell. If you want to sell any other type of supplements, something for beauty, mental health, just select that here. But we're just going to take a look at the whole catalog and see what catches our eyes. So for example, if you wanted to sell this diet drop supplement, what we'll do is we'll click on it. So the price is going to be from this is the recommended retail price, and this is the profit you can potentially make. So we're going to click on that, and here you can see the description of the drop. You can see the pictures. This is the price you would have to pay. This is the production price. This is the shipping cost. It defaults shipping cost. You'd have to change that to where you're shipping to, obviously. This is the suggested retail price, and this is the potential profit you can make if you sell at this price. So another thing you can do to attract your customer is to give it up for free shipping, where you cover the shipping cost. Of course, that is if the shipping cost is not too high, so that you would make a decent profit. So you can do that and offer it up for free shipping. So what we're gonna do, you can scroll down, you would see the description, the full description. You would see the supplement facts here. That's the table of what it contains and in what quantity. And you can see the manufacturers in the US. You read all about that here and all of that. So let's go back to making this our own, because we're not going to be selling it like this. So you're going to go here and click on customize and sell. So here we are again with the description of the drop and every other thing you need to know about it. Now here you can design your own label in Canva. You can design yours in Adobe Illustrator, or you can have a done for you service, which is recommended. So let's check that out. If you click on that, that will take you to the label design service. If you click on get it now, you would be able to see the prices. This is a one-time payment. If you don't want to design this yourself, you can have them design a really nice label for you, and it is going to be $199 for up to 5 products. So labels for up to 5 products. And you can also get a Shopify store designed for you. You would obviously have to sell your supplement somewhere. So if you wanted to use Shopify, they are able to design that for you for this one-time payment. And they have this kind of combo price where you get the Shopify store and sell label designs. So you might want to take advantage of that, but here we're not doing that. We're just going to design this ourselves. If you want to learn how to design a Shopify store, you can check my channel for videos that has Shopify in it, or you look on YouTube for how to create a Shopify store. So you go to Canva here. I'm just going to click on Canva editor to open this. For me, make sure you are logged into your Canva account before you do that, so it takes you directly into your Canva account. If you don't have a Canva account, it is free. Check the link in my description, or just go to canva.com and get yourself signed up. So I have this in my Canva account. So if I wanted to change this to my logo, or just change the colors to something else that I like, I'm able to do that. So let's see, I'll just run through this quickly. So I'm going to leave the name as is. You can edit this to your liking. I'm just doing something very minimal here for the purpose of this video. If you wanted to change the fonts, you can do that, but I'll suggest you leave all of this suggested use and all of this part as is, because that is critical for selling this. So you may want to change this manufactured for and distributed by. You're going to put your LLC name here, your business name here. That's obviously the business you're selling this product under, and your address and your phone number here. And it's better to leave the supplement fact as is. Just make sure that everything is how it should be, and that will be that. I'm just going to leave this as is, and I'll download it and upload it into Supply4. I'm going to download that here. I will change it to download in PDF. So PDF standard, and that will be just this page. And that will be that. So I will go back into Supply4 and I will upload it, the PDF I just downloaded. Okay, perfect. So that is uploaded. Let me see. So you can see that on the drop on the bottle. So that's how it works. You don't have to pay anyone to do this. You can actually take your time and design this yourself in Canva. But if you feel you can't do this, because if you're going to be selling products like this, you have to be very, very detailed, and your product really has to look authentic. You might want to take advantage of the label service here and just let them do that for you. So that is that. I've just uploaded something very shabby, but please don't do this. So this is what I uploaded, and that is done. And then the next step is to start selling. Now you need to set up your store, and if you do click on this, it will ask you to connect a Shopify store. Clicking on that has brought me to the Shopify app store. If you do get to a point where you're setting up your Shopify store, you would see how to be able to add Supply4 from the Shopify store into your Shopify website. So that should be easy, pretty easy to do. Like I said, I have videos on this channel showing you how to set up Shopify. You might also check on YouTube to be able to see how that is done. So that is that. After setting up your store, you publish it into your store, it will be there. Then you can go to order samples just to see how the product looks like. So this is the product. You might want to take pictures, you might want to create videos. So this is how you would order it. So you just order a sample, proceed to shipment, put in your shipping address, and then have this delivered to you to be able to do with it whatever you want to. So that is the simple steps to actually create your own product in Supply4. If you have questions about shipping and billing packaging and label, and whatever you do have further question about, just come to the FAQ section on the website here and you may be able to find help with whatever it is you're looking for. So that is how that works, guys. There are loads of products that you can start selling as soon as today. Just make sure that you have really good labels. Make sure you have really good labels so that your product would really stand out and will really look authentic. That is what I wanted to share with you in this video, guys. If you do find it useful, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done that, and please turn on the bell notification just beside it so you know when I drop another video that may be helpful to you. Thank you guys for staying with me to the end of this one. I will see you in the next one. Bye.